Go.
Hi everyone, my name is Sawyer. I'm an IA for 201, 202, and 475 this semester.
My name's Kyle. I'm an IA for 202.
And we're going to be talking about blood typing today.
Yeah, so this is your erythrocyte, or better known as a red blood cell. So to understand blood typing, first you got to understand what would be on the surface of the cell. So to have an A, O, or whatever blood type you are, what is on the surface of the cell is what matters. So those are called antigens, and those denote what blood type you actually are. And whatever blood type you actually are, you also have antibodies that are kind of the opposite in the blood. So antibodies are normally shaped as these little Y-shaped, and they are in the plasma, whereas the red blood cell has your antigen on it instead. Sawyer's going to give us a few examples now of me and his blood types, and then see who can donate to who and who can receive from.
Let's just say I have A positive blood. What antigens will I have? Well, I'll have A and RH factor. Let's say Kyle has A negative blood. What antigens will he have? He will have A. Will he have RH? No, because we said it was negative, right? So in reverse, I'm going to have B antibodies, which are going to be found in my blood with my erythrocytes, with my A and my RH. Kyle will have the RH antibodies and the B antibodies. These are bad. Oh, these are sad. They don't want the erythrocytes with the other antigens, okay? So let's say Kyle's dying, okay? He really needs blood, right? And I'm like, I can save you, Kyle, I can save you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna donate my blood to him. Let's see. So if I put one of my erythrocytes over here with my antigens of A and RH, Kyle's antibody is gonna go, oh, no, right? And it's gonna lyse, and the cell's gonna die. We don't want that. That is a blood transfusion, okay? Transfusion reaction,
Yeah.
yes. That is an example.
And so also what we have to talk about with these is, can I have the marker?
Yes.
So as we talked about, we have A, but we also have two that are kind of special because they can either donate to everybody or receive from everybody. So universal donor would be O negative. And Sawyer, can you draw one of the blood cells and show why? Why can it get from everybody or give to
Okay,
everybody?
let's see. What does O neg have? So we said O doesn't have what antigens? A and B, right? And also since it's negative, it's not going to have what? Its RH factor. So instead, in its blood, it's going to have everything except an antigen, right? So let's say if I give this blood, O negative, to Kyle. Since I have no antigens present on my erythrocyte, none of his antibodies are going to attack me, so it's going to be safe. This is why we call it the universal donor.
And then just similar to that one, but kind of the full opposite, is the universal recipient. So the universal recipient is going to be A, B positive. And so on the surface of their cell, you're going to have A, you're going to have B, and the RH factor. So what is it going to be against? Nothing. There's no antibodies that are against any other blood type. That is the basics of blood typing. Let us know if you have any more questions.
Bye,
Thank
guys.
you.
Yeah.